Sit back, relax, and pick up your feet. It's time to meet my family. You got me, my wife, my daughter, my dogs, and if you didn't know, you're watching my vlog. So tell all, don't keep it down low, and I really hope you enjoy the show.
Good morning. You ready to go to the beach? You want to go to the beach? You want to go to the pool? Where do you want to go? Where? I don't know what you're saying. You want some breakfast? Mommy make you pancakes? Huh?
It's hot.
I know it's hot because you're sitting in the sun with your horsey.
Horsey.
Yeah. You're still half asleep, right? You actually let Mommy sleep this morning. She actually let me sleep. I actually slept until almost 9:30, which is awesome because I never get to sleep in. Hey, you ready? We're going to the beach? Oh, you don't want to leave Macho? You ready to go to the beach?
No.
No, not yet. Alright, bye. Mommy's leaving.
No.
Bye. Bye. What is that meow sound? What are you doing?
No.
Oh, no. Okay. I thought you were saying meow. Hi, baby. What's that face? You're so funny. You ready to go to the beach? Yes. Tete, you ready to go to the beach?
I'm ready to get down at the beach because we get down and we get around. Whoa, wait.
Okay. Yes, back to Maya. Beach! Yay! Welcome to Daytona Beach. Oh yeah.
It's the water.
Maya, you on the beach?
Say, Mom, look at the water.
Come on, you want to go in the water? You eating your chicken? Look at you, you look so grown. Eating your chicken in Mommy's chair on the beach. How awesome. Are you guys building a sandcastle?
Yeah.
You building with Titi?
Show Mommy.
Come on. She obviously doesn't want to sit on the floor. Wow. Don't mess it up.
Oh!
Ah!
He's gonna wet ya.
She's gonna wet you. I love that she's having so much fun.
This will bring in water, look.
You got the boat in there? And now you put the seahorse? Okay. Wah! You're funny. You like the water, huh? Where are you going?
Mommy.
What? It's cold? Whoa, the water! Man, that sunscreen makes you look even whiter than you are.
Let's go back to your castle. Or jump in this water. Favorite spot.
Go ahead, Mama. Wow. Maya, no throwing sands. No. Okay? much.
You go to the park, it's windy. You go to the
That's
beach,
good.
it's windy.
I know.
Mommy and daughter time. Spending it on the beach. Maya, you kicking?
You kicking mommy? What? Ah! Let me kick Maya. My little munchkin.
Get mommy. Say hi, YouTube. Whoa.
Why she doesn't splash the camera?
Don't splash YouTube. I mean, they see we're at the beach.
Alright. Here. Oh, alright. There you go. Oh, look at that one.
Hold on. And he's out. All gone.
All done.
Maya.
Yes, the bird.
Hey, Maya.
Yes, they ate the grapes.
Maya, where are we at? The beach?
Look at the bird. She's pointing at all the birds. Yes.
Oh,
No.
what are we gonna do?
Yeah.
Give mommy a kiss.
You cold? You seem cold. No more. All right, princess. Say bye to the beach.
Did you have fun?
No.
How
No.
you how do you not have fun at the beach? You saw the birds. You went in the water. You ate. You fed the birds. We had a cool time. We made a castle. You stepped in a puddle. Let me get some boom. You had a fun time? Boom.
Yes, I knew you had a fun time. All right, bye beach. You get ready to take a bath? Take it off. Oh. What? You're so funny. Aw, you missed Delta today? Okay. So, as you can see, we just got back from the beach, and I didn't really get any color. It was kind of windy. It was a little bit cloudy. When we first got there, it was really hot and it was nice. And then when we, like maybe an hour into it, we stayed there maybe about 2.5 hours, 3 hours. An hour into it, it started getting really cloudy. But you could still get some kind of color. When I get home, normally from the beach, I am like really red. I'm like, he calls me a lobster because I get really red. But then it turns to tan, so it's all good. But I'm going actually to the beach tomorrow again with my friends and their kid and her kids. So it's gonna be fun. All right, check you later. Maya, show everyone your hat. Look at her Dora hat. And she always wears it backwards. Come here. Come here. Show everyone what mommy just got you. Come on, Maya. Help me put away the laundry. Come on. Come on, let's go to your room. Okay. Maya, put your pajamas there in that drawer. Go ahead. Yeah, she tries to help me. I had all the clothes folded nice and neat, but it's okay. All right, thank you. Go get the rest of the clothes, okay? Go get the rest of it.
What's up, my YouTube family? So this is the last episode of the week. Tomorrow is Playlist Live, so I'm going to be busy with that pretty much all day. And I'll take video, but I'm not going to have time to edit it all and put it up for you guys. So next week we'll be back to our regularly scheduled program. And anyway, I hope you guys have a good weekend and take it easy. Love you guys. Peace.